Hey YouTube, it's Sparkling741 here. Today I'm going to show you my multi-tool. It comes with little, little pack, but I don't have it on right now. You're wondering why I have these on? These gigantic paper clips that I'm just putting together for a little chain. I have nowhere else to put them. So, just a multi-tool. Scratchy edge stainless steel. Opens up like a butterfly knife, and it has some pliers right here. Let's see. A little bike thing that I found on the floor. It's just right now. I don't have any wires. I got squeezed together stuff. Got a strong grip, like a little mic there. I got this stick. It's found on the floor. I'm gonna show you the saw for that. It has this knife right here, little stainless steel knife. These spikes are for cutting fishing wire. I think that's bottle opener right here, and then screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver, and then on the other side I have a saw right there. Then I have a laser. It's not sharp at all, kind of thing. It's just a laser. I have a smaller flathead screwdriver. Another bottle opener right here. You can see that right there. And then at the tip, it's a flathead screwdriver. And then I have another knife right here. It's sharp. I could cut myself with it once. So first I'm going to show you the saw on it. So let me fold it back up. So that's it when it's all folded up as a butterfly. Let me look for the saw. Here's the saw right here. If you want to see how well it cuts, I'll move out of the way. Put the stick down. Let me fix the camera so you guys can see. That is good. Right there, I guess. So flat. It's pretty sharp. You can see that. Two bladed blades on this side, and there are more blades on that side. Helps it actually cut. So let's see how long it takes to cut. Turn it around like that. Alright, so there it is right there. It could cut more, but it would take a little longer time. See right there? Cuts in like 2 millimeters, I'm guessing. Has a break in half. And you can see that it's flat. Use that stuff. And that's the saw. And you can see the sawdust. That makes some noise. I don't think you guys could see that, but it's also on the saw a little. That you could sprinkle onto your tinder, and it will just like help it burn more. Now I'm going to show you guess the knife. That's the stuff I was talking about. So the knife, this one. Here I'll show you this one. Let's see. Let me just show you how much you can do with just one hit. Pick the stripe. Gonna leave it here. And this hole is connected. Knife is pretty strong. I'll make a how to make tinder video. I think I already did, but there we go, scraping it. Pretty good. Okay, so that's that knife. Just checking stuff. And then now the fishing knife. I don't have any fishing wire. It's actually in my garage somewhere. Just need 200, so I'm in the garage a lot. It doesn't make tinder, like scraping it, for making tinder as well as the other knife. It's because it has these blades. This one's like more of a fishing thing. If you don't know what a lacer is, I'll show you what a lacer is. Right? A lacer is not a knife, looks like a knife. It helps you like lace like strings and stuff together. Helps you lace. You could stick into the ground like that for a tent. Like if you have a tent, then one of the things break. You could also use just a stick you find and sharpen it. Can't, like if it's snow, you don't know. So you stick it in the ground like that, and it will just show you. Just keep it down. Cuts things, help you lace around stuff. It's pretty cool. So that's it pretty much. I'll show you some more of my survival stuff. I think I'll be doing the rest of my videos on survival. So this is it for this video. I have some good news. I've been eating sushi my whole life, but never once had sushi. I hate it. And if you want to go on my hairline, like to my shoulders, since I ate a piece of sushi, my head's going to my shoulders.